Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find the grapes pictures in Capcut PC, which is the grape keyframe template. So how you can find it. Okay, first select your video that you want to edit and select keyframe at the part that you want to add keyframe. Just click video basic and select keyframe and select another keyframe. Okay, so in the middle between the keyframe, you are just going to right click. Okay, right click and then select show keyframe animation. Just click on it. So you can find the grape templates. Just click on the keyframe scale and select the grapes. So it appears the template of grapes. It's like it's like a mobile version, I think. For example, for easy in, but if you want to use it, you can adjust for the scale before. Okay, select the keyframe and adjust for the scale like this. So this is the final. Okay, like that. So you can add the keyframe. Just click on the frame. Just click keyframe at keyframe. Select another part. Select keyframe, and you can swipe up, swipe down to make this slow and faster. Like make a manual grabs. Okay, that's how you can use the grabs in the Capcut PC apps. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. So thank you so much for watching.